Guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and I'm super excited to share with you today that I have partnered with one of my favorite brands, 2021 Company, to bring you a really neat boxed gift set for this holiday season. I'm going to show you that in just a second, but first I want to tell you a little bit about this brand. 2021 was started by two women who have a love for words. Like I do, they are word junkies, and I'm just a fan of uplifting messaging, journals, and that's how I found them. They have these beautiful journals. This one says, Half Full Reflections of an Optimist. And as you can see, just beautifully made journal. And that's how I found them, because I saw these products, and these actually, the two I'm showing you are new to their line. This one says, you are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in one drop. And that's a Rumi quote, just beautiful. I love their products. So they have a full line of great things, but I've partnered with them this month to bring you a box of goodies at a special deal. So everything in this box would normally be $80. They currently have a special on the site. I believe it's called the November Gratitude Box, where everything in this box is $65. But if you use coupon code SheSaved right now, you will get this box, and I will include links below, for $50 shipped. And I'm going to show you what's so cool about everything in here. Okay, so here's what your box looks like. And another of my favorite products of theirs are these candles. They're in these little tins, and this one says thanks. You can see that. And it is warm banana bread, and it smells so good. So good. So this would be a cute thank you gift for a teacher. Maybe if a neighbor did a little favor for you. Maybe if you stay as a guest in someone's home, you could leave this behind as a little thank you. But oh, it smells so good. Their products are really amazing. So you also get in your box, you'll get 2 of their blank notepads. And these are really, really high quality, really well made, just blank notepads. You can see that just says notes and such. And then I need my glasses to read this one. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. You see that? So pretty. Again, I really think so many people would make wonderful recipients of these products as gifts, especially young people, teenagers, really anybody. They're just such great messaging. You also get a pack of 3 of these pocket journals. Again, these are just little blank journals. I have one in my car console. I keep one by my bed, and just a really fun thing to throw in your bag. Great stocking stuffer idea. This one says, believe you have it, and you do. This one says, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. And this one is just a beautiful little floral design. So again, any of these, you could tuck them in a teacher gift, stuff a stocking, whatnot. Just always nice to have things on hand that you could quickly grab for a really nice gift. So you also get 6 of their greeting cards, and their greeting cards are really nice. They're $5 each on the site, and they're really high quality cards. Like, you can just feel and see the quality, but you get 6 of them, and I like that they give you a nice variety, because it's always nice to have cards on hand. Okay, so you get Birthday Babe, another birthday one, Make a Wish. I really like the variety here. Can't Thank You Enough, You Can Do Hard Things, You Are on My Mind and in My Heart, and then this is my favorite thing on the site. I have really struggled to find cards for my son specifically to give coaches or even teachers as a thank you. But this one, it's a Mark Twain quote, and it says, really great people make you feel that you too can be great. So again, really cool stuff to have on hand. Great messaging. All of their items are really feel good, uplifting. They're very conscious of the environment, and most of their things are made in the USA. They support some great causes, and just a really neat brand with some wonderful intentions behind it. So again, 6 greeting cards, 3 pocket journals, 2 of their blank notepads, and the little candle for $50 shipped with coupon code SheSaved. I will leave links and information on that down below. I also wanted to mention that if you order the bundle, you will also get free shipping site-wide on the site. So I encourage you to look around. There's some great things. Also, if you do have the bundle, coupon code SheSaved will also make their t-shirts $20. This is one of my favorite shirts. I get compliments on it all the time. $20 shipped if you have the bundle in your cart with coupon code SheSaved. So anyway, love their stuff, some great products. I'm excited to be partnered with them and share them with you. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.